I'm super stoked for this electric truck to come out.
Hi, I'm Vicky. I'm actually from Alpha Motor Corporation. I had this awesome chance to take a ride, so I'm not saying no to it, of course. So I'm very excited for it. Oh, yeah, that was so awesome. The smooth handling definitely helped with all the hard corners also at the end of the street here. Yeah, it was so fun to just go around the obstacles and to accelerate in the beginning. I really look forward to all of you to have a chance to experience the Wolf in person and just feel it for yourself.